Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make salad jelly using an easy method. First, gather all your necessary ingredients, such as 2 packets of unflavored gelatin, 2 cups of water, and about 2 cups of your favorite chopped salad components. Next, prepare your chosen vegetables or fruits by washing and finely chopping them. This simple approach ensures a delightful and refreshing dish every time, perfect for any occasion or a light meal. Now let's prepare our gelatin base. Begin by measuring 1 cup of cold water into a bowl. Carefully sprinkle 2 packets of unflavored gelatin over the cold water, allowing it to bloom for about 5 minutes. This step is crucial for proper setting. Then, add 1 cup of boiling water to the bloomed gelatin, stirring continuously until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the mixture is clear. This creates a smooth foundation for your salad jelly. With your gelatin base ready, it's time to add the salad components. Make sure the gelatin mixture has cooled slightly. It should not be hot when you add your fresh ingredients. Gently fold in about 2 cups of your finely chopped vegetables or fruits. You can use anything from shredded carrots and celery to berries and grapes. Stir the mixture carefully to ensure all the delicious pieces are evenly distributed throughout the liquid, creating a beautiful presentation. Finally, let's get your salad jelly ready for serving. Carefully pour the entire mixture into your chosen mold or individual serving dishes. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or until the jelly is completely firm and set. Once firm, you can carefully unmold it onto a serving platter or serve directly from the dishes. Enjoy your refreshing and unique salad jelly, a perfect treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.